Tired of clunky software and managing spreadsheets for your in-person trade shows? vFairs has a better way. Meet vFairs, the complete event platform that simplifies trade show management and delivers real value for attendees and exhibitors alike. Lightning fast event launch. Getting started only takes a few minutes. Enter your event details, and vFairs instantly builds a personalized setup dashboard based on your needs. From there, the Event Launchpad walks you through exactly what to do next. Whether it's creating a mobile app, building a landing page, or setting up email campaigns, you'll only see the tools you need, keeping everything fast, organized, and easy to manage. Registration and booth management. Next, build registration forms with our drag-and-drop builder, connect your payment processor for ticket sales, and display everything on a professional landing page. Add an interactive floor map so exhibitors can select and purchase booth locations instantly. You can use our booth price negotiation system to finalize booth costs and special buyer discounts and create custom invoices to finalize deals. Exhibitor onboarding. Once exhibitors sign on, they receive access to their personal exhibitor dashboard. Here, they can set up their booths for the mobile app, add product catalogs, manage staff, and view attendee lists. Post-event, they can review performance metrics and export detailed reports. On-site networking. Want to maximize networking opportunities for buyers and sellers? You can schedule confirmed meetings between exhibitors and hosted buyers ahead of time, or let attendees and exhibitors book meetings spontaneously throughout the show from their mobile app. Flawless day of operations. On event day, vFairs equips you with everything needed to run a seamless in-person experience. Eliminate check-in lines with instant badge printing and self-service kiosks. Your staff can scan QR codes, search names, or use AI facial recognition for fast check-ins. Or attendees can check themselves in and breeze right through with self-serve kiosks. Mobile app. Your on-site attendees get far more value from your event through our feature-rich mobile app. Attendees get access to interactive floor maps, gamification features, and an AI assistant that answers all their event-related queries through our mobile app. They can explore booths, browse catalogs, place orders, and message exhibitors instantly. Powerful lead capture app. When exhibitors need to capture leads on site, our lead capture app delivers. The app lets booth staff scan QR codes or business cards, then sync leads directly to HubSpot or Salesforce with priority tags like hot, cold, urgent, etc. They can also schedule follow-ups right there on the show floor. On-site order taking. Our order taking app transforms each booth into a portable point of sale. Exhibitors track inventory, fulfill orders, and monitor sales as they happen, while attendees scroll through catalogs and buy products in just a few taps. Performance tracking. When the event wraps up, demonstrate your event's impact with live analytics and comprehensive post-event reports. Exhibitors view their performance data from their dashboards, while you generate detailed reports to share broader success stories with them. Keep a track of total check-ins, the number of printed badges based on user type, QR code scans, and more. vFairs empowers exhibitors to achieve better results, keeps attendees actively engaged, and gives you total confidence as an organizer. Want to discover what your next trade show can accomplish? Contact sales at vfairs.com to learn more.